Namaste, dear divine souls. Welcome to my channel, Divine Roshni. I'm going to transmit a light language for balancing the hormone secretion gland of the sacral chakra, the ovaries gland in the female. So I'm going to heal the ovaries gland and also balance the ovaries hormone. Washam sham to matra masakina sesam sham to matram hom sam sham to matra makhantim to matra makhanitim to metira sansan sam to matram so. Asensem tomaterasa sasana essentium tomaterasa sansena kinitum tomaterasa sansena rukana hasasanitum tomaterukana wokinitum tomaterukana wokinitum tomaterukana hayanitum tomaterukana sumha 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 sasanitum tomater sumha raniti raniti sayanitum tomateraniti mukim tomateraniti raniti mukum sum sum tomateraniti hamritum tomateraniti kinitum mahasasam tomatam ashinitum tomaterum asinitum tomaterasa sasam tomaterama hokinitum tomater hokinitum tomaterakinitum tomater hokinitum shim tomaterama asensem tomaterama sayanitum tomatekoso hokim sim tomaterama Om. Thank you, Divine, and thank you all.